Also tonight in Kingsport, the director of the city school system said he's taking action after an allegation that football team members were told not to report symptoms of COVID-19.
That allegation surfaced in a Facebook post by a Kingsport mother who said her son, a member of the Dobyns-Bennett High School football team, participated in a game this past season even though he had COVID-19 symptoms. Ainsley
Daniel got reaction from the head of the city schools in a report that's new tonight at 11.
Murata Dunford's son plays football for Dobyns-Bennett. He lost his sense of taste and smell on November 19th, the day before the team played Maryville High School in the playoffs. But his mother says he didn't tell anyone.
He never mentioned it to them because on the 13th of November, the team doctor stood up in front of the team in the locker room and told them to not report it because they would not be able to play in the playoffs.
Dunford says that was the same night the game between DB and McMinn County was canceled due to a COVID situation on the McMinn County team.
After their last playoff game, he told me that he had symptoms of COVID and told me what was going on. And so we tested him the following day, the 22nd, at CVS, which came back positive.
The superintendent for Kingsport City Schools says he spoke to the Dunfords and thinks the alleged comments were made by a volunteer medical professional who isn't employed by the school system.
I wasn't able to confirm everything that she shared. You know, I was able to, I wasn't comfortable with what I was able to find out. In this scenario, you know, the guidance was coming from a medical professional. And so, you know, again, just the expectations are that while there's lots of different opinions about how you should operate in this scenario, we're only following the guidance from Sullivan County Health Department.
Morehouse says while he isn't sure if any students or staff at Dobyns-Bennett were exposed, he says players at Maryville High School were not.
I reached out to the director of schools in Maryville to let him know, you know, what had been said and what had been shared, to identify, you know, if there was any contacts that that they had on their team based on game film.
Morehouse says clarification has been provided to all involved in DB athletics about how COVID-19 symptoms are to be handled.
The guidance that we follow in this is that of the Sullivan County Health Department. That if they were to experience guidance otherwise, that they were to hear communicated, that they have a responsibility to clarify that.
In Kingsport, Ainsley Daniel, News Channel 11.
We reached out to the TSSAA about this incident. A spokesperson for that organization said they were not aware of the situation. We also reached out to Maryville High School for comment and have not heard back.